Which among the following theorists propose that knowledge is socially constructed by the child and other within the culture? Who gave the idea that socially constructed knowledge is what is important, and culture is also involved in forming a person's knowledge, a child's knowledge? It was given by Lev Vygotsky. That language development happens when a child interacts with within the culture and with other people, socializes. He emphasized on it a lot. You have to match the list with the condition, with the type of reliability. Okay, so the correct option is split half means when there is only one testing session and only tested on one form of test. Alternate, okay, and test retest. Test retest means when one testing session is done in two parts, before test and after the test. Alternate form, the immediate alternate form is when one testing session has two forms, and delayed one means when there are two testing sessions in one form. Okay, so what are the corresponding Z scores for the 50th percentile? It is going to be 0. Still 0, even if it is the 50th percentile, still the Z score is going to be 0. Which of these is not the part of the big 5 model of personality? Includes ocean. If you remember ocean, you will know what are the full form of OCAEAN. O is for openness to new experience. C is for conscientiousness. E is for extroversion. A is for A and N are also there. So A is for agreeableness and N is for neuroticism. So conservatism is not part of Big Five model of personality. Spearman's Brown formula explains which of the following? Spearman-Brown, it explains the relationship between reliability and the length of the test. Okay, that is what Spearman-Brown formula is for. What are the examples of primary reinforcer among these 4 options? What are the basic primary reinforcers for a person, for a human? Food, thirst, water, okay? And money comes secondary. Only if you are not hungry anymore, not thirsty anymore, only then you'll think about money or earning money. So food and water is the only correct option, A and C. Which of the following options are the functions of sympathetic nervous system? Okay, so sympathetic nervous system, what does it do? SNS is responsible for making us ready for flight and fight response, right? So when you are going into flight and fight response mode, what is your body changes into? You have shortness of breath, pulse rate is high, your heart rate is also high, you breathe faster, you may start sweating. What kind of function slows down? What kind of functions are not important when you're trying to be on survival mode and trying to save yourself? Your digestive system slows down. What happens to your lungs because you're breathing heavily? Okay, so A is there, heartbeat is accelerating, digestion is also going to get slowed, right? And the pupils are going to widen. So third option is correct. Now you have to match the list of techniques of study brains and with their application. What is MRI, fMRI, CAT, and PET scan? So magnetic resonance imaging, it is used with using the magnetic fields along with the radio waves to create the detailed brain images. While fMRI is the advanced version of MRI where magnetic radio waves and the blood flow is used to detect the activity within the specific brain images and structures. CAT scan is used where X-rays are done in 3D three-dimensional images of the brain. And a PET scan is used where radioactive material is injected into your body to create dynamic brain images. Now, what influences the speed of nerve impulses? Okay, there is a part of nerve which tends to enhance the speed of the nerve impulse, which is known as myelin sheath. Myelin sheath enhances the speed of nerve impulse.